That's Odogu.
That is
you know the vibe.
Alright guys, good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Savage World, and guys, on today's video we are having Burna Boy and Very Dark Man. So for the first time, this is the first time that Burna and VDM, they are linking up for the first time. You can see that they linked up at a party, at a wedding party yesterday, and Very Dark Man was so happy to see Burna Boy, and Burna Boy was also very receptive of VDM. They even went to Burna Boy's crib after all this, and they took some videos and some pictures together, and even they did a video inside Burna Boy's car to show you that Burna Boy is really a big fan of VDM. For Burna Boy to carry him to his house, you're going to say Burna, they feel this guy, no be lie. And guys, despite the fact that VDM came out a few weeks ago to say that Whiskey, Davido and Burna Boy, that they are not, beneficial to Nigeria because of how much they spend on their cars, but Burna Boy don't mind at all. He still welcomed VDM into his house. I'm going to get you guys to watch the rest of the video so you can tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
That's Odogu.
That is
you know the vibe. You know the vibe. That's an African man that loves to do it for Africa, but you all don't know it yet. Anyways, peace and love, don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn, or you will learn the hard way. Don't play.